Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're gonna learn how to enroll in paperless statements with KeyBank. Open the website, then click Sign On. Now, sign in with your user ID and password. Before you proceed, you need to verify your identity. You have two options: either to verify using a one-time passcode, or through answering a security question. Click on the option you wish to select. In this video, we chose to verify by answering a security question. Once you've answered the question, or entered a passcode, click on Submit. Once you're logged in, select the account you wish to enroll in paperless statements. Since I only have Key Smart Checking, then I clicked on that account. Now at the upper right part of this page, you will see several options. Click on the option that says Statements. Then a section for statements will appear at the right side of the screen. Beside Enroll in Paperless Statements, you will see a toggle switch. Toggle to enroll in paperless statements. Then a message will appear that contains some reminders and link for the online statements and document delivery authorization disclosure. After reading, click on the tick box to know that you have read and agreed to the disclosure. Also, below that, you will see another tick box. Click on it if you wish to apply the preference to all your accounts. If not, skip that part. Then click on the button that says, Yes, I understand. And now the toggle switch turned green, meaning you are now enrolled in paperless statements. That's how you enroll in paperless statements with KeyBank. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.